Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So before we get started, if you are new and you've not subscribed, guys, please click on that subscribe button. Now we can take a look at this GBP USD, right? We were all wanting for it to give us a pullback on this GBP USD. We talked about adding our Fibonacci, which is this is it, the 23. The Fibonacci, we're expecting to actually get to a level of 23.6, right? But it was close to the level, it never got to it. Then we start having a bullish move, right? So this is one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed bullish today, right, on GBP USD. One of the reasons is that we are now starting to have a continuous trend downward on our USD index. Now take a look at this USD index, right? Take a look at this movement. You clearly can see that this is a bearish move, right? You can clearly see a lower lows. Let's start it from here. This will be the lower lows. This will be the higher lows, right? Lower lows, lower highs, sorry, lower lows, new lower lows. Of course, a correction needs to happen. This is why correction has taken place here. We can see it actually reacts at this level because price has reacted to this level previously. We also saw that price has reacted to this level previously. Of course, price will definitely react at this level. So we are now having a bearish move. So as we would be having this bearish move on USD index, guys, be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So that is to tell you that if our USD index or DXY is giving us a bearish move, then any other currency pair we are trading to our USD will definitely give us a bullish move. As you would be getting a bearish move on this DXY or USD index, then be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So it is not a surprise thing that we actually had a bullish move, right? So it is not surprising. So now when you take a look at this trend on GBP USD, you take a look at it here. This will be the highs. Here will be the correction, right? This is the new highs that broke this previous highs. And here comes the correction on GBP USD. And now this is the new highs, right? Of course, a correction needs to be made, which was little, right? A pullback, a little bit of a pullback was made on this GBP USD because I personally was expecting to actually come to this level, right, of 1.17. Before I actually go take a buy, because one of the reasons why I'm saying such is that we saw that price has once reacted to this level previously, right? So we saw price came to this level, reacted to it. Then I was expecting price to actually get it. And coupled with the fact that when we added this Fibonacci, Fibonacci retracement level, this level that I was expecting to drop to, which is about 1.17, was at a level of 23.6. This is exactly why I was kind of like, okay, if GBP USD can actually drop to this level, then I would consider to go long. But since our USD index is now giving us a bearish move, then there's no other way than to go long on GBP USD. As long as this DXY or USD index is going bearish, there's one thing you should do: go long on any other pairs you are trading to USD. So once you start shorting this GBP USD, you will definitely lose. So this is one of the reasons why, well, it is actually not a bad thing to actually go long on this GBP USD. So we can still go long. And secondly is that we can see that this price is still above the 10 period moving average. So as long as this price is still above the 10 period moving average, I still see this as a buy. Except maybe price kind of drop below the moving average, then I would advise you probably should stay out of this trade for some time, or wait till price moves back up the moving average. So since it is still above the moving average, I still see this as a buy. So now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame to be able to see where we would want to clock the next day. So if you notice also that price has reacted to a level previously, we saw that price has once reacted to this level here, right? We also saw that price has once reacted to this level here. We can drag it up, right? So now let's be able to take our buy and take out this level of 1.90. At least we should be able to take out a level of that should be giving us about 84 pips, right? So on this GBP USD, first of all, right, the goal is to take out this level, which is about 1.9480. And if our price breaks above this level, which is about, if it breaks a level of 1.9480, then the next level we would want to take out is this level, which is, let me add it here, which is a level of 1.2290. So first of all, a level of 1.9480. Let me add this right, 480. Okay, this is it. So we would want to see this GBP JPY go bullish, right, and take out to this level on our 4-hour time frame. Then there's every possibility that this GBP USD will now drop, because if you are to go long, it depends on if you are watching it early, right. I would advise you go long, take out this ice. Reason is that we saw that price has once reacted to this level, right? We saw that price has once reacted to this level, right? We also see price came to this same level, right? Then there's every possibility that price will come to this level and react. So this is one of the reasons why I say go long, take your profit. Then if price manages to break above it, then the next level we will be watching out for on GBP USD is a level of 1.2290. So two levels we should watch out for on our GBP USD to actually tap. The first level is 1.1948. If price gets to that level, definitely we will get to that level. Then we can opt out to take profits. If price breaks above it and it is moving up, the next level we would want to see to get to is a level of 1.2290. So that is the two level I want you all to watch out for. And secondly, the price is still above the 10-period moving average. So definitely we are still on a buy. So still consider a bullish move on GBP USD. Then if price can possibly go up and take out this level of 1.20, then we might continue our bullish move on the 4-hour time frame on GBP USD.